Hey guys, and welcome back to another vintage smoke alarm unboxing video. And if it's gonna be a vintage smoke alarm unboxing video, I can't do this without a vintage smoke alarm media type guy.
Hi.
Oh, come on. I had that cool intro and I'm getting a phone call. Alright, so in this box, I'm just continuing where I left off, is one of the more classic vintage detectors. And a relatively more common variant from the one I currently have, which I am going to be getting rid of. And I'm actually really excited for this because this is actually one of the two TC49A. Just spoil it. Whatever. You can see it in there already. This is one of the two TC49As I want, and I'm actually going to be getting both of them. This is one of them. You'll see why here in a second. And here's the bracket, which I'm actually just gonna use this for my 1021, which, by the way, the 1021 is the rare one that I have, but I'm not gonna be keeping it for that long, and that one's older. This one is a bit different. So this one is a TC49 Model 2. Yes, I kid you not, it's Model 2, aka the Federal Signal Model 2, aka Nathan's worst nightmare. I thought it would be kind of funny to have. I thought it would be funny to have a TC49 that says Model 2. So, you know what? And by the way, if you can't tell, the internals are completely different from the other one. I'll be explaining that in a later video. But for now, the sensor is different. It's actually the less radioactive sensor. The horn, I believe it's a CLB27 running on AC power. And then I should probably mention, yeah, this one, I think it should also say, yes, the TC49A 1005, but this is also, I'm just going to call it the Model 2, just because it's funnier and probably what more people will call it by, but I don't know. It would make sense. And this one is also interesting because it has the little LED cutout thing here, which is only present on the newer ones. And then it's also got, interestingly enough, I also notice a hook here. There's like a little hook. I don't know if I didn't notice that. There's another one over here, but that's not really a hook. I don't know if this is like a feature or just something I just didn't notice before.
It's for the line cord models.
Yeah, but this one is obviously not line cord. These wires are pretty loose, and that worries me, but I hope that's not a problem. Oh yeah, you can see the cutoff where the line cord one usually be. And for your information, the line cord one, the other one I want, I'll be getting the accessories pretty soon from a certain someone.
Yes.
Anyways, yeah, it's not gonna be a genuine line cord model, but it's gonna be. I'm gonna be able to have the accessories along with a detector that's compatible. This one is actually not compatible for the line cord ones because it's direct wire. It's not quick. It's not a quick connect one kind of situation. So, sadly, that little thing is out the window. But my main thing I'm curious about is if this thing works. So obviously it's the same old wiring. And I'll arrange this in a way. Okay. Let's see if this one works. And good. And obviously, this thing has no test button. So unfortunately, we're going to have to do the old-fashioned way. I'll be ready to yank out the power switch. Oh, I like the sound of this one a lot better than the one I currently had. I don't know if it just sounded the same, but that one had a different horn. But I like the sound of this one much better. It reminds me of the one SCR Safety had, and that sounds just more nostalgic to me. So I like this one a lot better. So this one didn't come with the box, which is fine with me. I don't care about boxes, considering these usually come in cardboard boxes. So I'm totally fine with that. So I'm pretty happy with this, and I'm very happy that I'm finally going to be getting my 1021 to BANF. Before I could even do that, I have to make a video overview, which is probably going to be a smoke alarm comparison between this one and the 1021, because they're very similar detectors, but like at the same time not. So I'll be getting into that in the future. But for now, I'll end the video here. Get the wire nuts out of the way. Thank you for watching. And you want to say bye?
Bye.
See you guys later. Bye-bye.